We have with us the one and only megastar, Miss Sharon Canera.
Hi, MJ! Thank you very much for
Welcome
having
back.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank
so
you
excited
so
that
much.
you are back with ABS-CBN doing this project. You're
Thank
gonna do a
you.
project.
Yes, I can't mention it pa. Pero
know.
kaya po ako nandito kasi may bago kaming sorpresa sa inyo.
This is going to be under Dreamscape Entertainment.
Yes, so excited. You know naman my favorite memories are memories I made in Provinciano.
That's right. How long was the rest period from the last teleserye?
From
Provinciano.
Provinciano. Well, I did the movie with Alden.
That's right.
Afterwards, I just really rested.
But the TV part, ilang years?
Since the last episode of Provinciano. So
Wow.
that was around July 2022.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Hindi
tagal
pala
na.
medyo matagal.
Almost 2 years.
Konting bakasyon lang.
Konti.
Kamusta yung energy mo, Ate Sharon, going into this new era?
My heart is so excited. I got sick itong last Saturday, so mga 5-6 days na. Pero parang hindi siya welcome dito. So yung ubo ko medyo tumitila. Pero yun, hindi ako makatulog the past few days because of the coughing. Pero okay naman. It was bad congestion. But apart from that, it's been excitement, joy, na-overwhelm ako, natutuwa ako, kinikilig ako. And I'm very, very excited to work with the people I'm going to work with.
Right. Dahil nga top secret pa siya.
Yung
saka
isa
na
to
natin,
work with again.
I know.
Super mahal na mahal ko. Yung iba, mga first time ko makakasama. So,
Right.
syempre, dagdag excitement
Right.
yun.
Nakakatuwa lang, medyo naninibago lang ako. Kasi parang dati, parang more movies. Pero
Yeah.
ngayon parang, wow
I rested. Also because, di ba, I have a problem with my hip and my back. So, for 3 months, towards, this year, the beginning of the year, medyo hindi ako hindi ako pwedeng magkaroon ng activities masyado. Okay. Almost bedridden, almost.
Okay.
I was walking with a limp.
Right.
So, once in a while, naa-atake pa rin, but it's under control now. Manageable, although I'm not used to it, so it upsets me.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Pero paano yun? Paano mo minanage yun nung nag-Europe trip ka?
Siyempre, may doktor at saka dinasal ko, nag-cooperate siya
Okay.
the whole time we were away.
Yeah.
It was Italy and Japan.
Right.
And when I came home, dun siya umakting uli. Sabi ko, alam na kasi nga, nandito yung doktor.
Pero how was that with spending time with Miel?
Oh, it was, alam mo yung bittersweet. Kasi aalis na siya, so I wanted to have a bonding period with her bago namin siya dalhin to college. Kasi she took a gap year, so 1 taon siyang nagpahinga after graduating from high school. And itong August, diretso na kaming New York para ihatid siya. Kung di nagka-COVID, graduate na dapat si Frankie this year. Pero because pinauwi namin siya for over a year nung nagka-COVID, next year, tapos na siya. So mawawala yung dalawang baby girls ko.
I had this conversation with Miel
Yes.
like a month ago. And sabi nga niya, parang she really looked forward to that Europe trip with you. Kasi nga, alam niya na, sabi ko, do you know that your mom is always talking about you guys leaving her?
That's true. No, that's why Frankie the other day pala said, I know, and you see, Mama, we were talking in the end, may sinabi ako sa you see, I knew it, we were going there. So niyakap niya ako sa what? That you're thinking we're gonna leave you. I'm never gonna leave you. Doon pala galing si
Are you mentally and emotionally ready for that phase?
We're gonna leave you. I'm never gonna leave you. Doon pala galing si
Are you mentally and emotionally ready for that phase that Miel will...
Well, I went through it with Casey. I went through it with Frankie. I think mahirap kasi magkasunod lang to.
Yeah.
So medyo, tas there's going to be a period. Last night I was telling Miguel, with the family was having dinner. So sabi ko, oh, Bubs, when we bring your ates, it's just gonna be you and me and Dad. So, sabi niya, parang, wow, free cars. Wala na siya kaagawan sa driver, sa scheduling. Oo. So, you're never really prepared. Kahit maghanda ka, hindi ka talaga nahahanda, hindi ka umaabot sa point na yun. Kasi, una, mahirap nang tanggapin na, bakit ang bilis nilang lumaki? Parang dumaan lang yung magta-20 na si Miel, si Frankie magta-24. Parang, tapos si Miguel, parang kahapon lang nag-celebrate ng birthday niya, ng 3rd birthday, no, introduce ko sa lahat ng tao. Biglang 14 na. Parang, so, I don't mind getting old. I think I mind that my children are growing up. I mean, they've grown up so fast and it's just gonna go quicker. So, yun. Tsaka parang, hindi ko na muna pinapangarap yung apo. Kasi parang lalo mong pinapangarap, lalong
Hindi marating. Darating yan.
Kasi lalaki na ng mga sabi ko, wala na akong baby, amoy manok na kayo.
Say la vie ka nga,
Yeah,
diba?
oo.
That is life. Pero naalala ko lang, Tishawi, kanina, yung pagsalubong sa'yo ni Tita Cory, Direk
Nagulat ako,
Lauren.
akala ko ang sasalubong sa akin yung parang may crew, may cameras,
Right.
kasi nga may project. Pero pagpasok ko, nakita ko yung We Missed You. Na-overwhelm ako. Yung heart ko talaga, I mean, who wants to be anywhere else but home?
Right.
Diba? And
Right.
whenever, people outside are very nice to me. They're very good to me. Yung ibang mga stasyon, kung saan din ako nanggaling, no? Pero, syempre, iba yung, parang feeling ko lagi, parang kang isda na wala sa tubig. You're fish out of water. Pag uuwi ako dito, kasi dito na ako lumaki. Hindi lumaki, kundi dito na ako. I was 21 when I started with ABS.
If there's anyone, kung sinong kabisado ang hallway ng ABS dito, bawat sulok.
Ako.
Ikaw yun.
Kasi yung unang dressing room ko dito nung lumipat yung TSCS noong 1986 ay yung dalawa yung isa office ni Ma'am Charo,
Okay.
yung isa conference room na malapit kay Ma'am Charo. Dun sa yung old building na bumabagsak-bagsak yung mga ceiling kasi kariri-open lang ng ABS nung hindi pa nare-renovate. So
Right.
talagang any moment, di mo lang babagsakan ka. Yung umpisa, nakita naming ma-rebuild
Yeah.
hanggang lumaki, hanggang nagka-Star Magic na dumami na lahat ng mga kapamilya dito. So parang, it's just, how can you
Yeah.
exchange that for anything, di ba?
Exactly.
Parang, there's such a big part of my own personal and professional history. Tapos feeling ko kahit paano, I'm also a little part of the history of ABS-CBN. And kahit wala na ako pagdating ng araw, my grandchildren, they're gonna know
Right.
that. So,
Saka
diba?
yung picture mo dun sa photo gallery natin.
Gusto kong hingin ko talaga yung
Iconic
pinalitan
yun.
na.
Oo, yung sa'yo lang yun. Also, how does it feel reuniting?
Big Frankie was a newborn when they took that picture.
Really?
I think it was Pancho. Escalera,
Oh,
diba?
wow.
Pancho, oo. She was a newborn and I came to Studio 1, Dolphy Theater. Doon kami nag-pictorial. Mabilis lang.
So that was how many years ago?
She's turning 24.
Silver
In December.
anniversary.
Imagine.
That photo.
Yeah.
Also, I wanted to ask you, how does it feel to be reunited with Dreamscape Entertainment?
Oh, I cannot express in words how excited I am. I don't know if I should mention this, but what pains me lang is that Deo's not around anymore. Because Dreamscape was so good to me.
Right.
Coco he made such a perfect experience for me and all of us in Provinciano. So, I'm very excited and grateful that Dreamscape is handling this project. And I'm just really excited. I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah, I think nabuo ni Sir Deo ng maganda,
Yes,
maayos.
the best people.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the best people.
Well, they were under a really good leader. So.
Okay, since we cannot reveal yet what will you be
Yes,
doing,
I know.
what can you promise na lang your fans?
As usual po, I promise you, I will give my best in this project. And lalo na since 2 taon po ako napahinga sa TV. So I'm really excited. Tapos yung makakasama ko, yung isa, mahal na mahal ko. Hindi na kayo magugulat pag nalaman nyo. Yung iba, mga first time ko makakasama. So, yung mga alam ko pa lang So, talagang patong-patong kung sumasabog yung heart ko sa excitement at sa saya. At syempre, more than anything, it's being back in my home station. It's being with my kapamilya. It's being, it's just being home.
Right. Yun ang pinaka-mahalaga dyan. Also, congratulations.
Thank you so much,
Nag-number 1 sa
MJ.
Netflix ang A Family of Two,
touched
di ba?
ako, grabe. Tapos yung friends ko, mayroon akong friends sa New York, sabi niya, it's coming to New York na, it's coming to the States na. Nagulat nga ako, sabi ko, you'll see it na. So, I'm very excited.
Makakasundot lang ako. Total, mahal na mahal mo naman yung si Alden.
Oo naman.
Naniniwala ka bang mag-jowa yung dalawa?
Ayokong magsabing oo, pero tawagan ko si Alden mamaya. Nahiya ako anak, kayo na ba? Pero nag-message ako sa kanya, nak, kung totoo yan, napakasaya ko.
Oo, diba?
Kasi alam mo, nakatrabaho ko na silang dalawa, parehong super bait na mga tao. Catherine was my daughter in 3
Learning the...
words, 2 for... Di pa ako senior, nagsisenior. 3 words to forever namin ni Goma. Siya yung anak namin. Totoo yung sinasabi ng lahat ng tiga Star Cinema na napakabait ni Catherine. Totoo naman. Totoo na. She's so deserving of everything. She has her superstardom, her status, because she is one of the best people I've ever met. And then Alden, the same. The very same words. So, I cannot contain my excitement. Pero nahiya ako magtanong.
Pero boto ba si Mega?
Ako? Oo naman kung saan sila maligaya, lalo kung sa isa't isa talaga naman. Laman naman si Mama.
Pero
Kung kailangan magpapagawa ako ng tarpaulin.
magiging ninang ka na naman, Big.
Ay nako, ang tuwa ko lang.
Di ba? I wanted to also mention that grabe pala ang nominations ng 40th Star Awards for movies.
Oh, really?
Kayo yung magkakapantay, Ate Guy, Ate V, you and Maricel. All for Best Actress.
Okay lang matalo. Ang galing naman. Ang galing. Alam mo, ganito lang yan eh. I think we have all rightfully and safely earned our places
True.
in this business.
True.
Wala na sa amin siguro yung competition. Meron na kaming lahat ng awards. So parang sa amin, o kung sino yung medyo challenging yung project, dapat lang, kung kahit sino manalo, ako, I'm very, magnanimous, now especially, parang, my God, yung kasama mo silang tatlong manominate.
Nasa legacy era
Katuwa
na kayo
naman,
eh.
yun na nga eh. So ako, ang dream ko na lang, makatrabaho kahit sino sa kanila, at sana
Right.
lahat sila.
Right.
Pero
Thank
kasi
you.
I don't intend to stay much longer.
Why naman?
Because life is short, time is, it flies by. It's very quick. And I want to enjoy the rest of my years with talagang my family.
Okay.
I want to travel with my husband, with my friends, with my children. I want to be there
Okay.
for my kids, and if they're going to give me grandchildren, I'll be there 100%.
Ay, feeling ko
I
nga,
want to
pag
be with
naging lola ka,
Kiko and my...
lagot.
Oo, sabi ko nga, just keep making babies, do your thing, leave them with us.
Right.
Sabi ko, pag nag-asawa na, sige na.
Oo nga.
Parang, diba?
Feeling
Kasi-
ko,
Now, Mia is 19. Sabi ko, I was your age when I had your ate. Tapos sa Frankie is 23. Sabi ko, when I was 21, I didn't have a husband anymore. The first marriage broke up. Can you imagine when I look at them? Parang, bata ko pala nun. They're still they live in they're not prudes or they're not sobrang weird. I mean, you know what I mean? By weird is parang, they're kind of normal.
Yeah.
Hindi sila yung parang tinatago or
Hindi,
overly
hindi.
protected. Hindi. They live very normal lives, which is good considering, di ba, napaka-public ng parents nila. Pero, actually, when I look at them, there's a lot of innocence pa. Babies pa eh. Parang, hindi katulad ko nung araw. Parang, Diyos ko, nung ganyang edad ako, nag-maintain na ako ng sarili kong bahay. Saka,
Right.
nag-aalaga. Nagpapalaki ako ng baby pa pala ako.
I can't wait to see that different era. But as of now, we enjoy muna natin ito.
Yeah, I want to give lang something to my fans who have not really tired in supporting me, loving me. So gusto ko lang silang pag-iwanan ng mga ganitong kagandang mga bagay, projects.
Alright.
Thank you so much, MJ.